In the warm heart of West Africa lives a bird that's impossible to ignore. Bold, bearded, and built like a fruit fanatic with a fashion sense. This is the bearded barbet, Lybius dubius.
Long time me I tell them to sleep no country. Who wake me up this morning was Big Beak.
That oversized banana yellow beak? It's not just for show. It's a perfectly engineered fruit handling machine, attached to the most stylish beard. Black and bristled like a miniature forest elder. Barbets live in small vocal family groups, chattering away, looking like tropical royalty. They're down to earth, hopping from fig to fig, playing their part in the great ecological symphony. Hear them knocking the window like their woodpecker cousins. They're still part of that ancient hammer-beaked family. It's a mystery why they tap on glass repetitively. Any theories, please add in the comments below. Living in West Africa, you might just spot the bearded barbet, beak held high, living large, and looking fabulous. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.